Good morning, ceramic friends. Today we're going to talk about glazing just really quickly. As you see, soon you're going to be glazing your tile. This one's kind of bumped, so I'm going to go ahead and use this as a test tile. Please make sure before you start any kind of glazing, protect your table surface with some paper, newspaper, or something that's highly disposable, piece of paper, extra sheet. Please see me. I can get you recycled paper to use. But you do need to protect the surface of the table because you do not want that glaze on this surface at all. So we're going to start with glazing, and the first direction is going to be up and down. And if you just leave one coat on, then you're going to notice that it's going to be kind of like watercolor. Then for the second one, I'm just going to go a third of the way and go side to side as my coat. And I'm using this as an example. So test one is going to show one coat. Side two is going to show two coats, and then this third side is going to be in this direction, so I get a nice, clean, solid surface. So when you're glazing, when you approach glazing, just remember, first coat, up and down, let it rest, let it dry till it looks kind of chalky. Second coat side to side. Third coat is going to be diagonal. That's going to ensure that you have a nice, even coat. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on this one using blue-green as my first coat, as you see, is just going up and down, and I'm just kind of making sure I'm covering the edges. So this is my first coat, and you'll see that it starts to dry actually pretty quickly. Just get a little bit extra glaze so I can finish up this spot while the other spot's drying. And you will want to make it a practice to let your things dry in between. It's best practice. Sometimes we can, sometimes we can't, but you can see where it's wet, where it's starting to dry rather quickly, and this is actually pretty much getting closer. So my second coat is just going to be side to side. Just so that you guys can see what two coats is going to look like. And I'm going to do that for the entire tile so that I get my nice even coats. And then my third one is going to be just this area, and it's going to be that diagonal, what I talked about. And because of time, I need to kind of get this done. So normally I would let it dry in between, but I'm just going to do this really quickly so you get the idea. And then I'm going to label it. Half of this will be glazed, half of this will be unglazed, so you'll see the difference once we apply actual glazed product to it. Okay, and that is that. So make sure you always rinse out your brush with soap and water. Have a great day. See you later.